here with National Davis Cup player Blaise Bicknell. Finally get our hands on you. You've been in Santo Domingo, you've been in South America, you've been all over the place playing a lot of tennis. Your thoughts on what you've been managed to accomplish in the past, say, 4 or 5 months or so?
Yeah, well, I've been traveling a lot non-stop, training really hard, and I've seen my results get better than they have in the past. Gotten experience against guys that have been top in the world. A guy number 16 in the world, I played against him. So getting that experience constantly has allowed my game to improve a lot, become more professional off court, and improve everything.
I see you played even Marco Cecchinato on
Yes.
clay.
Yeah.
Right. I mean, that guy is a former top 20, 30 player in the world.
Yeah.
So, I mean, you've got a wealth of knowledge, right?
Yes, I did. Just how disciplined he was the whole match, playing his game and not trying anything that he's not capable of, but really just not much difference between me and him, and I know what I need to do to get there, so I'm going to work towards that.
And what have you done, really? Because we've seen this big leap. You started the year like in the thousands, and you're now in the 700s. What do you think you've done differently while you're getting these type of results?
I think I've just freed up my mind really and allowed myself to play in these matches better, and I'm going to continue in the next year, even see the ranking climb even higher, and hopefully my goal is in the next year and a half about to be in top 200-300 in the world. Because I've beaten guys at that level before, so I just need to get there now.
And talk a bit about college. How is that going?
College is good. The training is really good. The coach up there was a former top 20 in the world. He beat Agassi a couple of times, so he knows what it takes to get to the top level. So he's been putting a lot of effort into me, and obviously I have college season now, so I'm going back for 5 months. Going to work with him on everything that can help to take my game to the next level.
All right, and how does it feel now, knowing that you can play amongst the best? Jamaica now faces Estonia, I think in February, early February. Right. Talk a bit about that and how your preparations going so far.
Well, they've been going good. The team is coming back around this week. We're playing against the rest of the Caribbean, Barbados #1, Bahamas #1, also world ranked players. So we get great practice there and get ready to play.